What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to watch YouTube videos picture-in-picture on your iPhone or iPad. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. By default, YouTube does not allow users to use picture-in-picture directly from their application on your iOS device. But you can make use of a different app to use picture-in-picture from your browser. To do so, head over to your App Store and look up PiPifier. The free app should be downloaded in a couple of seconds. After the installation, open up your iPhone settings. Here, scroll down and tap on Safari. In your General Settings, tap on Extensions. Tap on PiPifier and make sure to enable this extension. After enabling the extension, head over to youtube.com on your Safari browser. This should in most cases look exactly like the app version. After opening up a video, tap on the AA icon on the bottom left of your screen. You can then select the PiPifier icon, which will launch the video in picture-in-picture mode, and you can exit your browser or change apps and continue watching. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.